Hey friends, I've stumbled upon something incredible today and had to share it. Let's start with the design. Minimalist, elegant, and totally unique. The price? Practically a giveaway. Seriously, it feels like you're getting luxury without the price tag. It's perfect for any setting, your home, your workspace, or as a thoughtful gift. Curious? All the juicy details are below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more finds like this.